Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Doc Swat. This is the fifth video of our two-thread series and today we are discussing Permanent Mandibular Lateral Incisor. If you haven't watched the previous videos on Permanent Maxillary Central Incisor, Maxillary Lateral Incisor and Mandibular Central Incisors, do check them out. Links are in description box. Let's start with the traits of Permanent Mandibular Lateral Incisor. Set trait of Permanent Mandibular Lateral Incisor which compares Deciduous Lateral Incisor. Permanent Mandibular Lateral Incisor is larger as compared to Deciduous Incisor. The color is yellowish white instead of milky white. Mamelons are present in newly erupted permanent teeth but absent in deciduous teeth. The crown length in deciduous incisor mesiodistally is greater than cervico-incisally, while in permanent lateral incisor, cervico-incisally is greater than mesiodistally. Coming towards the class trait of permanent mandibular lateral incisor, which is common to all incisors. Presence of incisal dominance, mainly aesthetic in function. Mamelons can be seen in newly erupted teeth. Presence of incisal reach. When we see them from proximal aspects, they appear triangular or wedge-shaped. Labiolingual dimension is narrowest among teeth. Their function is incisive and their lingual surface show V-shaped lingual fossa, cingulum, marginal ridges which are almost parallel to root axis. Next is arch trait, which compares the mandibular lateral incisors with maxillary lateral incisor. In maxillary lateral incisor, the incisor edge is horizontal, while in mandibular lateral incisor, their incisal edge is distally tilted, as you can see here in this picture. Both mesioincisal angle and distoincisal angle in maxillary lateral incisor are rounded, while in mandibular lateral incisor both the mesioincisal angle and distoincisal angle are sharper. From palatal or lingual view, their features are more prominent in maxillary lateral incisor. Their lingual fossa, lingual pit and marginal ridge and cingulum all are more prominent in maxillary lateral incisor, while in mandibular lateral incisor they all are less prominent. Now coming towards the type trait of mandibular lateral incisor compares with mandibular central incisor. Mandibular lateral incisor has larger crown while central incisor is smaller. Their incisal edge is distally tilted while in central it is horizontal. Lingual pit is more frequently visible in lateral while it is less frequent in mandibular central incisor. There is an absence of bilateral symmetry in mandibular lateral incisor because of the distally tilted crown. While mandibular central incisor, there is a presence of bilateral symmetry. In mandibular lateral incisor, the cingulum is distally offset, while in permanent mandibular central incisor, their cingulum is centrally placed. So these were the important exam-oriented traits of permanent mandibular lateral incisor. Remember, in your practical exam, you should write maximum 3 points for each trait to save time. You can take snapshot of it. In the next video, we'll move on to the permanent maxillary canine. This video help you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll continue this trait series with more traits, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.